All right, so I just finished applying the coats of dry lock, tinted dry lock on the background for my new Ackie monitor build. It's not quite dry yet, and I still got to wash it off, and some of the residue will wash off a little bit. And I always go back and do a light brushing of white just to give it a little aged look. So this is kind of what we ended up with. Done a few of these Australian outback type builds where it looks like that red rock you see out there, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. It's gonna go in my my new little Accie's enclosure that I'm working on over here. Kind of did this one in reverse. Instead of working through that little window, which is going to be the front opening, there was no back to this thing, so I just left it off and decided to build accordingly from the front out to the back. So there's the front of this. Was like a cabinet, outdoor pool type cabinet. It's made out of shiplap, so this is actually shiplap panels, so they're wedged together. I kind of got the track inserted into that little bottom piece of wood. I left a little gap there to be able to clean that out pretty easy, and then up top. So yeah, a couple weeks out we'll be done. Love my little antique knobs on this thing. Those are like porcelain. They came on it, so I decided to incorporate them and use them. Yeah, background's done. Of course, I'll attach driftwood and such to it and fill in a few cracks and go back and touch it up once I'm done. But I think it turned out pretty good. It's definitely got that red Australian kind of desert / tropical desert look to it. There'll be some foliage. So yeah, so far so good.